Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a baby doll, 1966 Mustang Coupe. Killer car, guys. Guys own this car for 30 years. Matter of fact, we've got all the documentation for the restoration, photos, receipts. This car was restored or finished in 1998. It was a complete body up restoration, beautifully done. And then it's only got 5,100 miles on the resto, guys. Great car. Factory Candyapple red with the black vinyl top. It's got the black pony interior, original 289 C code, automatic, clean top to bottom. Just a nice car. Runs and drives excellent. My buddy Scott's the one that got me this car. He drove it all weekend long at the car show. He said it just runs and drives excellent. Jordy's driven it here, Dale's driven it here. And everybody just raving about how this thing drives. Nice car. I love the dual red lines on it. I love that it's a factory red car, and I love the history on this car. Not a whole lot you can really nitpick. There's a couple of little touch-up marks on it, but nice. This guy definitely maintained this car and kept it real nice. I do believe it's got the original bumpers. You can nitpick those a little bit. Car's only got 89,000, I believe, 89. I think it's 89,000 original miles on it, but again, 5,100 miles on the restoration. My boys missed some water. Oh, actually, we got a little sprinkles out here. I forgot about that. Black vinyl top's in great shape. This is just a good car, guys. Just as nice on the bottom as it is on the top. This little sprinkle, sorry man. It keeps doing that on us today. Little sprinkles. Car's nice and flat down the sides. It's got the Coker Classic dual red line tires. It's got the stock, hubcaps. The only thing I thought about doing to this car was putting a set of the 15-inch style wheels on it, but it really looks like it just came out of the factory like this. So we just left it alone. Good car, good quality car. It's even got the stock single exhaust on it. Paint slick. Again, factory 289 C code car, so stock 2-barrel, stock intake and exhaust manifolds, factory power steering car, stock manual drum brakes. It's even got your little tag still on it. C4 automatic trans. They did put a finned aluminum trans cover, pan cover on it. Got some pictures of the bottom of it for you so you can see how nice it is under there. Just a good car. There's no VIN still stamped there. Sorry guys, see. A bunch of new stuff still coming, guys. I'm gonna pick that A-pillar chrome. Factory remote mirror. I think I got 2 cars coming today. Bunch of new stuff coming. So make sure you're watching our website and everything. Subscribe to that YouTube page. As soon as we post something, a video, you get a notification. It's got the pony interior buckets, full-length console, steering wheel's nice, interior's really nice. See the headliner's nice in it. Factory wood grain dash, 89,705. That's the original miles, and he said 5,100 on the rest of the original owner's manuals are in there. Factory AM radio works, blower motor works. Again, stock single exhaust. Even a dual redline spare. You even get his car show chair. Again, this is just a huge stab. I mean, look at everything. He even itemizes the resto, pictures. I mean, really did a nice job on that. You can see how nice the car is. A little dampness, that'll come off, guys. New fuel tank in there. Yeah, I mean, this car is nice, man. Car's just as nice on the bottom. Stock rear end, I think it's a 280 gear. And like I say, you could dual exhaust it. You could put some style wheels on it if you want to sport it up a little bit, but you just leave it bone stock the way it is. You can see how nice those seats are. Gauges are nice and clean. This is removable, but it's nice. You know, if you're traveling, you can just take that off if you don't want it. Glass is clean. And just a little bit you can nitpick there. Again, man, just a baby doll, man. This thing runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Gauges are all functional. Reverse lights work. Radio works, blower motor works. Doors open and close real nice. Horn works, I don't know if you heard it or not, needs a little bit of adjustment, but again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video.